Welcome guys, so today I'm with JBL Live Pro Plus True Wireless Sound earbuds and I'm gonna show you how you can charge them. That's very simple. At the first we have to just put them back to the case. Of course we have to remove this foil from this magnetic part. So put them like that. Once you make it, this front indicator will flash like that. Close the case. Next, we have to rotate and plug this USB-C cable to our USB-C input. And next, this end, we have to plug to the electricity. Okay. And when you make it, this indicator on the front will blink like that, and basically that's the battery status of the case. So when it will be flash on, when the three lines will be flash at the same time, it means that it's fully charged. When it's blinking, it means that it's not fully charged. That's obvious, right? So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.